Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha here with another hair tutorial. This is my Instagram inspired braided mohawk. It was super easy. I only had to use about 1.5 packs of this Kanekalon braiding hair. As far as product, I went in using the Murphy's Edgewax Control along with some Cantu Organ Oil. To get started, you want to part the hair into 3 sections, and then in each section part it down the middle to make sure the mohawk is even. Okay, so at this point you just want to part the hair into 4 sections and make sure that the sections are also even on the left. And at this point I'm just going to begin braiding my hair and feeding in my braids as I go along. The Murphy's Edge Wax I am using, it gave me very good grip to the braids, and also since her hair is very natural, it gave it a nice hold. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am just pretty much repeating everything. I'm applying the wax and then feeding in my braids, repeating the same steps on the left as well. I am now in the middle section where I only did 3 braids in this section, 6 braids total, and then of course I repeated the same steps. I applied the edge wax and then just began to feed in my braids. Okay, middle section is all done, and now I am getting ready to add my favorite part, my favorite piece to this entire look, which is my accessory braid. And my reason for calling it an accessory braid is because this braid actually hung below her forehead, and all I did was take a piece of hair jewelry and add it to the braid. So to me, it just brought this hairstyle to life. Last step, I am adding 5 braids to the top of the mohawk, and after this we will begin styling. Towards the end, I noticed that the Kanekalon braiding hair was actually very thin, and that just make the bun look very small and just not full. So to create a much more fuller look off camera, we decided to add some Marley braiding hair onto the bun, and that just gave the whole entire style a complete different look, and to my surprise, it actually turned out amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss another video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.